Hi, so today I'm going to show you just how to make two types of liqueur coffee. So just before we start, I want to go through the big ingredients and equipment that you need. So you'll need appropriate glassware, some teaspoons, a little bit of boiling water, some whipped cream, some pouring cream, your choice of spirits or liqueurs that you're going to use. Today we're going to use some Irish whiskey and also some Tia Maria. And you just have an empty jug and some coffee as well. So the first one I'm going to make for you is the Irish coffee, and the first thing that you need to do is just warm your glass up. Okay, so just fill that first to warm your glass, and while we're warming the glass to an appropriate temperature, we take some of the whipped cream and some of the loose pouring cream and just cover it over and then mix through. And what you really want here is that the cream then is in an appropriate loose consistency that will pour directly. Just dismiss that. Okay. Next you're going to use your coffee and fill it just between 1/2 and 3/4 on the glass. Now at this stage some people would put sugar in. Personally I don't, but I would always suggest that you ask the customer whenever they order it, would they like a sugar in then as well. So normally you put the full measure of whiskey, which would be 35 mils. Today, just for learning purposes, I'm only going to use a splash. That goes straight in, and then you give it a stir to mix it up through. Once you've done that, then you get the cream that you have mixed with the whipped and the loose cream, and over the back of the spoon, pour the cream in so that it sits and floats on top. Okay, when you've done that, use your presentation plate and your spoon, and that's your Irish coffee ready to serve to the customer. Some places might add a little truffle or macaroon, which would accompany it down. Thank you. The next one I'm going to show you will be Calypso coffee, which is Tia Maria based. So you start off again, same procedure as before, just warming your glass. Now, for this one we're actually very lucky because we have enough of the cream left from the first lesson to use. So again, once your glass is warmed, empty out. Fill again with the coffee between 1/2 and 3/4 of the way. Your Tia Maria in. Stir around to make sure that it's all mixed through. And again, over the back of the spoon. And pour. Again, that will go on your presentation plate with your spoon, and that is your choice of an Irish coffee or liqueur coffee ready for your customer.